Good morning, everyone. Today the video is about Google Ads. It's a call only campaign. So the question is why? What is Google Ads call only campaign? So basically, Google Ads call only campaign is actually directing your visitor directly to your phone number rather to your website. Unlike the ordinary Google campaign where a user is being landed to your website, it's a direct call campaign where people can directly call on your numbers. It's a very good way to get connected directly with the customer and making it easy for your customer to reach you. Another ways, it has two ways. First, he has to land on your website, and from website he can contact you, and here he can directly call over you. So it's a great way. So let's discuss more on why you should use Google Ads call only campaign. Here you can see some of the finest examples of Google Ads campaign. You can see the first. I have chosen 4 examples for showing you on like the differences. Here the phone number is already being shown in the title headline, making it easy for the user to directly reach you. Perfect formula for mobile marketing campaigns, or if you want to drive visitors directly through your mobile to your numbers. So ideally it's suitable for those who want to target mobile visitors, device tablet visitors. Not ideal good for desktop, but excellent for mobile users. And my next is who should use Google Ads campaigns. Personally, I have seen that it works perfectly with people in service industry. If you're a doctor, if you're an engineer, a plumber, any household work, you need a plumber. Your ad is being shown with your number. Your customer directly calls you. Hello, I need your services. So very good, very efficient way. Only unless and until you are willing that you can receive the calls all the time. That is also an additional responsibility while running a Google Ads call campaign. It's also very good for banks, insurances, firms. It's also good for businesses who are looking for queries. Sometimes it requires more engagement before having the deal finalized. So it's very good for the businesses who are looking to get their deals finalized. It's also good for them. It's also helpful for existing businesses, and it's perfect for local businesses because local business or local customers are who are actually looking to call you. If you are running a nationwide campaign, let's say if you are doing a brand campaign nationwide, no one needs to call you. It's not good for them. But if you are running for a specific city area service and they wanted to get you call, perfect. Like say even it's good for a restaurant. Let's say if you serve in a particular areas and you are having a limited time deal, add your number like call us today and get this deal. So it can be also very good for this. So now let's move on to how to create a Google Ads campaign. So let's get started with how you can create a Google Ads campaign. So here it's a Google dashboard. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select create a new campaign here. Okay, and here you can see the option of sales. I'm going to select this sales because it's calls only campaigns are for sales, not for branding, not for other purpose, not to get website traffic. It's for not even for brand awareness, but to get more sales. Okay, so in that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select search. Okay, and in search I'm going to select the phone call option here. Okay, in phone call, for instance, if my number is I'm just writing it here as an example. It should be your own business number which is approachable. And the beauty of call only campaign, just like other campaigns, is like you can run for specific hours. If your business is for specific hours, you can run the campaign for specific hours. You don't need to run for all the time. So let's say this is my number. Okay, that's it. Okay, I've selected my number. Okay, that's it. Another difference is here you are going to pay for each call unless and until each click on your website. So let's say if I choose my daily budget, okay, for this, and what do you want to focus on? Yes, I wanted to get more clicks. It means more clicks on my phone number. Okay, I'm not leaving other. I'm leaving other settings just as normal. Okay, and let's say if I want to target US, I'm going to write here US. I just selected US. Okay, and now okay, done with the language, audience segments, the DSA. Not right now, we are going to do this. I will be creating a specific campaign on DSAs as well. Okay, so let's say I'm running campaign for my blog, so I'm going to add this digital marketing services is my prime keyword. Okay, here you can see, instead of regular website or your headline title in the ad, your phone number is being shown as the title of the ad. Okay, so I'm going to add my final URL here. Okay, and get digital marketing services for cheaper. Here my business name is going to be shown here, and it's my headline, and even I can have this deals here as well. Okay, digital marketing. We can help you with digital marketing. Google certified. Okay, done. So my first ad is ready, and here I have to do is okay, I can also have a call out extensions, like I can get shootouts for like 50% off on Facebook services, call us now, 30% off on Google Ad services. I can use these. So let's say if I use this. Okay, you can see three of the call out extensions are also being shown. Bundle deals available, 40% off in Google Ads, 30% off in Facebook Ads. You can see it's in daily estimates. Basically, daily estimates are not something you can rely on them because they keep on fluctuate. Because the phenomena of Google campaign is based on the quality score, so it can fluctuate. I have a dedicated video on what is quality score and how you can improve it. So next. So it's a review. So in a review everything is fine, just ignore this because this is the trial account. Okay, and here I have to do, and I have to just press the publish button, and here you go, the ad is published, and that is how you can run a Google Ads call campaign. I can personally help you with deeper settings, deeper integration, more improvement, better quality score, because I'm a Google Ads certified. Me and my team can help you with this. So link is in description on how you can avail my services. Now let's move on some of the frequently asked questions regarding Google Ads campaign. So I just selected two of the very famous questions people have in my mind, or I know that even you might be having while watching this video. So these are like, our call only ads are more expensive as compared to regular digital search ads. No, you do not have to pay any additional cost for running a Google Ads call only campaign. It's just similar like to running a Google Ads search campaign. The benefit can be answered in the second question. Do click to call ads actually work? You must be having a question like, does it actually work for, like, can it be beneficial for a business? So yes, these ads can be shown on mobile devices, like I told you before, because it has a click button to directly call. So ideally for call campaigns, and if you are running a mobile marketing campaigns, it's going to be definitely helpful for you. So I hope you watch my video and like it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to give in the comments box, comment suggestions box. And I also suggest you to subscribe to my channel, because I'm now going to do daily videos regarding Google Ads, SEO, freelancing, Facebook marketing, and online, and some guides on how to make money online. So I hope you like. And in case if you don't know, I'm a Google Ad certified, Facebook Ad certified, and my company is a Google partner company, and we are providing different digital marketing solutions. So you can reach out to me through description. I have a link given through how you can reach me. Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.